In this video, I will show you how to change case using the shortcut. Press Ctrl A and here you can select the T, S. So T for toggle, C for capitalize each word. And lowercase for L and sentence case for S. Alt C